Hey, this is René. Welcome to another video on this channel. And today I want to start a new series with a strategy that I just thought about. And I haven't, I didn't start yet. So you are still able to give me some ideas and help me to define the direction that this series will take. So you can really impact it with your ideas in the comment section. So I will give you the rough idea what I thought about. So I had a look at the chart and I marked, or I put these vertical lines where a new day starts. So this is the Euro-US dollar M5 chart, and I did this for the last days. So you can see it here. And as you can see, the price obviously moves. And we can really often see, if we have the look at the starting point of a day, the price often moves to either one or the other direction. So it's really often that we have some sort of breakout, if you want to call it this, if you start at the market opening of a new day. So and yeah, there are some types of days, I would say. So sometimes you see what we saw the last days, you see this sideways movement, right? So you can see the day starts somewhere, we go down, we go up, and we end somewhere. Or here we go a little bit down, then we end nearly where we started. Same here, we go up, we end nearly where we started. Or here we have a movement the price falls, the price rises a lot, and then in the end we still come back to where we start. So these are the days where we do not really see a big difference if we compare the opening price of this day and the closing price. And then if we have if we have a look at these 3 days here, we see a little bit a different day. So we see that obviously the day starts somewhere, but then we see a kind of clear direction for this day. So here we have market close at this day. I mean, Euro-US dollar does not really close. The market is always open pretty much, but we can see that the price at the end of the day is below the price at the start of the day, and there's a big difference. Same for this day and for the next day. So these are rather trendy markets, and yeah, we figured out we have two kind of markets, and this is whenever you are trading, this is the big difficulty that you have. When the day starts, you do not really know if it is a sideways day or if there will be a big trend for this day. And this is one big problem or question that you will have to solve if you want to become a profitable trader. But this still gives us some room for interpretation and for ideas for trading strategies, because after all, there is price movement, right? And we can use this. So I took a screenshot of this chart and I put it into some program that I can use to edit, and I put some grid lines here. So you can see I tried to find the starting point for every day. For example, here we have, let me start somewhere here for these days. So we have, for example, here we have, I hope that you can see my cursor here. We have the starting point for this day here, and then the price goes down and up and down again pretty much. And one idea that I had in my mind is that we could pretty much trade a pattern, a grid pattern of orders And we could say that whenever the price falls after the day started, we will buy. And we will not buy at one specific level because we do not know how far the market will fall, but we could build a grid like I demonstrated here with these lines. So we could say that here at this first arrow, when the first grid line is touched, we will buy. And here, when the second line is touched, we will buy another time. And the third line is not touched, so we will only have 2 trades. These 2 trades should have a stop loss and take profit, but they do not have to. I mean, I didn't really finish thinking about this project, but this is just like the general idea. Then the market goes up, and here we have 4 more arrows for the 4 lines. So we could say whenever one line is touched, we then want to sell. And as we can see here, the market goes up, a long way up, and then comes down. So we could trade close all of these trades and profit. The big problem, of course, is like this spike here. So that's always an issue with trading systems. You never really know how far the market goes in any direction. So this is something we have to think about. So I need your ideas, your recommendations here in the comment section. So we could say, for example, that we have one fixed stop loss for all of these trades, or every trade could have a different stop loss. I mean, there are a lot of possibilities. Same for the position size. We could say that every line has the same size, like 0.1 lots, or we could say that we start with a big position, or we end with a big position. So this is also something to think about. And yeah, I also tried to add the arrows here for another day. So you can see here we would open 4 positions. The market price increases and then falls down. So we would have the chance to close these trades. Then we have another buy trade, which we could also close. So this is for like the sideways markets. But we also had these trendy markets. And here you can see it would not work the same way. Because if we have a look at, for example, at this wait, let me get something here, some arrow. So if we have a look at this day, we would open a position here. This would be like the first position. Then we would open another trade here. And we would open another trade here, I think. And we would also open the 4th trade here. So we would have 4 trades, but the big problem is the market then continues to fall down or to crash here. So we would not have the chance to close these trades. So in this case, it would be better to like turn these signals around. And whenever we touch a line, we would have to sell. So then it would be a great strategy for the day. Problem is, at the start of the day, we do not really know what direction this day will take. So yeah, these are my general ideas. So I want to trade every day. I want to trade with some sort of grid levels, but I did not figure out yet if we should like do this retracement trading, or if we should do this breakout trading, or maybe we could even have a filter to define in which direction we want to trade. So this is where I need your help. So let me know in the comment section what you want to see in this programming tutorial. And again, I did not make any programming video yet. So this is just like the planning, and you can help me to define the direction this series will take. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this and what your ideas are. What would be a great programming series for this concept. So thanks for the ideas in the comment section. I will read everything. I will comment if I think it is necessary to comment, and then I will do some programming videos in the upcoming days where I start programming with this concept and build a complete expert advisor around this. So I'm looking forward to it. I hope you also do. So let me know your opinion in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, have a great time and good trades. Bye bye.